Hi everyone, today I'm proud to announce CDL's new magazine that will be called CDL's Way. We wanted to finalize the 2021 open house on a high note, so we're very proud that this first edition will be available to you by the end of May. The magazine will include exclusive content like customers' testimonial, expert testimonials. You will also be talking about new sugaring trend, new products, so that should be very interesting for you. So hopefully you will enjoy. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.